Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best IPTV Remote Control is probably one of the most underrated yet crucial devices for enhancing your home entertainment experience, transforming how you interact with your favorite streaming services and live TV channels, making navigation seamless and enjoyable without the constant frustration of clunky interfaces or unresponsive buttons, truly elevating your viewing pleasure to new heights. Number 5. SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This device consolidates up to 15 into one, making it the ultimate all-in-one solution for your home entertainment. It's designed for easy programming and seamless compatibility with all your devices. Unlock powerful automation with custom macros. Program a single button to perform multiple actions, like turning on your TV and sound system simultaneously. You can combine up to 10 commands from various devices for ultimate convenience. Access a vast library of over 500,000 devices from 6,000 plus brands. Easily pair it with your electronics using the dedicated app, even if your original remote is missing. Enjoy unparalleled convenience and broad compatibility. Experience an enhanced infrared range of up to 35 feet, thanks to its dual high-performance transmitters. This ensures reliable operation from any corner of your room, delivering fast and immediate control. Navigate effortlessly in any lighting with its backlit buttons. The Raise to Wake function illuminates the OLED display when lifted, ensuring clear visibility while conserving battery life. Don't lose your favorite functions. This device can easily learn and copy commands from your original infrared remotes. A simple setup allows you to transfer functions for greater flexibility. What we like. This remote is a true all-in-one solution for your entertainment setup. Its custom macro programming lets you automate complex actions with a single press. If you have many devices and want to simplify your control with advanced customization, you should consider this powerful option. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 4. Replacement remote for MAG IPTV set-top box. Looking for a new remote for your MAG IPTV set-top box? This replacement is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of MAG models, ensuring broad compatibility. Forget complicated setups. This remote requires no programming or pairing. Simply insert the batteries, and it's ready to go. It's compatible with popular models like MAG 254, MAG 250, and MAG 322W1, among many others. You'll find it works perfectly with your existing device. Utilizing infrared, IR, technology, this remote ensures a stable connection. Just point it directly at your set-top box's IR sensor for optimal performance. Enjoy effortless control over your entertainment. With this remote, managing your IPTV experience is simple and straightforward, just as it should be. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement for your MAG set-top box. It works instantly without any setup, just pop in batteries. If you own a compatible MAG box and need a simple, immediate replacement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 3. Replacement remote control for MAG IPTV set-top box. Experience effortless command over your entertainment. This replacement remote is designed specifically for your MAG IPTV set-top box. It works with a wide range of MAG models, including the 250, 254, 255, and many more. You can easily find your specific model among its extensive list of supported devices. Forget complicated setups and programming. Simply insert the batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box. This remote features low power consumption, making it both energy-saving and environmentally friendly. Enjoy extended battery life without frequent replacements. Its compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry. Measuring just 6.88 inches, it fits perfectly in your hand. What we like. This replacement offers wider compatibility across various MAG models. Its low power consumption means fewer battery changes, saving you hassle. If you need a reliable, energy-efficient remote that covers a broader range of MAG boxes, this one stands out. What people say. Number 2. VINABTY Remote for MAG Set-Top Box. Introducing a brand new replacement remote control designed specifically for your MAG set-top box. It offers effortless command over your entertainment system, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. This versatile remote is compatible with a vast range of MAG models, including 254, 250, 255, 256, 257, and many more. Simply ensure your specific model is listed for perfect compatibility. Forget complicated setups and programming. This remote comes pre-programmed and ready to use right out of the box. Just insert the batteries, and it's good to go. There's no need for any additional settings or complex configurations. It's designed for ultimate simplicity, allowing you to enjoy your content without any hassle. We encourage you to verify your MAG model against our compatibility list. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We guarantee a response within 24 hours to resolve your concerns. What we like. This remote comes pre-programmed, ensuring a hassle-free experience right out of the box. It boasts extensive compatibility, even with Infomir MAG 522W3. If you value ease of use and broad compatibility for your MAG box, this option provides peace of mind. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. Wondiwe Remote for HTV and Luna TV boxes. Experience immediate control with this brand new replacement. It's ready to use right out of the box, requiring no complicated setup. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this remote is designed for durability. It's wear-resistant, ensuring a long lifespan for your daily use. Enjoy complete and easy access to all its buttons. No programming is necessary, simply insert batteries, and it will function perfectly. Its smooth, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. This thoughtful shape makes navigating your entertainment a pleasure. This versatile remote is perfectly suited for various HTV and Luna TV box models. It's the ideal replacement for your A1, A2, A3, B7, Tigray, IPTV 5++, IPTV 6, and IPTV 8 devices. What we like. This replacement is specifically designed for HTV, Luna, and IPTV boxes. It requires no setup, working immediately with your device. If you own one of these specific TV boxes and appreciate a comfortable, ready-to-use remote, this is a perfect fit. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.